Kenzie, and today we're doing Squishy Show! If you're new here, click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Okay, let's get started. We're making Squishy Show, and let's open it up. Oh, put this down. That's nice. Look at all this. Whoa. Look at that behind. There's tape on it. There we go. Just get all this up. Okay. So this is the knife. What's this behind? Get out the packets. Take out these packets. Purple, my favorite color. Blue, Daddy's favorite color, and my favorite color. Green. Yellow. Orange and pink, my favorite color. Okay, get the glitter. Wait, there's silver glitter and white glitter. Wonder why they put these both in there. Let's keep them. Okay. This is weird. Put that over there. Take off this one's tape. This one may not have tape. Okay, let's worry about that later. Okay, let's count this. Oh, this is heavy. This is heavy. Oh, good. Oh, this is kind of heavy. Okay, let's get out. How much of these are? Is there? How much is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 4 of these. Good. Alright. You still have to get out of this cup. Good. Got this cup out. Take this white bag and pour it into the bowl. Do it. Just glue this down. There. Take this and fill it up to this line twice. Pour it in. Make sure you get every little drop out. Carefully mix together. Once it looks like this, take your hands and fill it into dough. Let's do it. Once it's all mixed together, it should look like this. All these cutters you can use to make yourself. You can make a smiley face or a pizza if you want, but we're making the heart. And let's choose my color. Pink. Make sure your dough has a little hole like this. Pour your color into your little hole. It's kind of like making Play-Doh. And I made Play-Doh before. I'll put the link down in the description below. If it gets a little dry, you can add a dab of water. But keep mixing. I added some more color, so now I'm adding glitter. That's the best I can mix it. Okay, let's make it into a heart. Take your paper guide and put your dough into the heart and squish it in until the shape forms. It's shaped like a heart. Now it's time to steam it. Let it rest for 20 minutes after it steams. It's nice and sparkly. Let's test it out and see if it works. Let's go, come on. Okay, I'm gonna wash it. It's soapy and I think it works. My hands are clean. I can't believe I just made my own soap. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end.